Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this easy and beautiful knitting pattern. This pattern will be great for a baby's blanket, and also you can knit this in your gents sweater. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is 18 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 14 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 14 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration, I have 31 stitches on my needle, which is 14 plus 14, 2 times 14, 28, plus 1 extra stitch, 29, and 2 edge stitch, 31. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 3, purl 3, knit 3 again, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 again, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 2, right? Knit 3, purl 3, knit 3, purl 3, and knit 2. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 2. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and for every wrong side rows, you will purl all stitches. Slip your edge stitch and purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip on the right side, slip knit twice, and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 3, and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 3, and knit 1. This is the repeat pattern. Again, Repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 1. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4, wrong side, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 5, edge stitch, slip, and start the repeat from here. Purl 4, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Purl 4, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 2, and purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, and then purl 3. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Purl 4, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, and purl 3, 1, 2, 3. And the last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 6, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 7. For row 7, your edge stitch, slip, and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, knit 2, 1, 2, 3. Purl 3, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, knit 2, and purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, knit 2, purl 5, knit 2, 2, 4, 5, purl 5, knit 2, and purl 2. Again, purl 3, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, purl 5, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, and purl 2. And your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 8, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 9, edge stitch, slip on the right side, and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 3, knit 3, purl 7, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 5 6 7, purl 7, knit 2 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 7, 2 4 6 7, knit 2, purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2 and knit 2, purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, knit 2 and purl 3, purl 2, knit 2, we have done knit 2 and purl 1. So we have done all repeats, and after you finish all repeats, for the last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 10, for row 10, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 11, for row 11, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 3, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 3, 1 2 3 and purl 3, knit 2, 1 2 3, knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done purl 1, knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, knit 3, purl 3, knit 2. Again, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 3, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 2, 1 2 3, purl 3 and knit 2. And your 2 last stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 12, purl all stitches. Row 13, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 5, purl 3, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5, purl 3, 1 2 3 and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 3, knit 5, 2 4 5, purl 3 and knit 1. Repeat that again. Knit 2, purl 3, knit 2, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, purl 3, 1 2 3 and knit 1. And last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 14, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 15, edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, knit 3, purl 1, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 7, purl 1 and knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, purl 1 and knit 2. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 1 and knit 2. And last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 16, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 17, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, purl 1, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5, purl 1 and knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 1 and knit 3. Again, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 1 and knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 18, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. This is one repeat. Now repeat this 18 rows, row 1 to row 18 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.